Grabbing my buddy Evan, you're welcome, a lightsaber, grabbing Ben Solo, but they're not doing it inside Dok-Ondar's now, they are doing it inside of Savi's. We were told to knock on the door, and the gatherers will help us. They literally told us to knock on the door. This is fun. Maybe. Hello.
Just a few minutes.
Sure.
As soon as we have a station open, we'll come and fetch you.
Awesome.
Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sounds good.
So, these are all of our emergency hosts that we currently have. Do you have any questions? Would you like to see any of them?
No, we're good. We just need Ben Solos.
And so,
This is going to be the exact
You get your stuff and any accessories you want, you come out here and pay out here. Kind of a cool way to do it.